This thing happened, I think it would be better, like, even in somewhere way up in the village. Really.
You would rather...
Here, in the village, somewhere, like, nobody but our family, we, with our kids, and I would be happy with this. You know, my kids would be with us, and we would be, like, fine. So, yes, I would prefer not to live in America now. Like, why did I even go there? Why? I thought America is gonna, like, protect us, our kids. It's gonna be safe for, like, any reason. But it happened opposite. My kids just, America took my kids away from me. Only America. So, why wouldn't I regret? Why? I don't know. I think it is, I'm like sure that my kids were not involved in anything.
I'm sorry, and we're sorry for your loss. But there's so much evidence to suggest that your sons were involved in these attacks.